Do you know that it will be very difficult for you to start earning money online without getting the right information?
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Well, on this video, I'll be sharing with you different ways you can actually make money online, which is 5 micro job sites that can actually help you make good amount of money in this year 2025. I have tested them out, I've withdrawn from them, and I'm gonna show you everything step by step you need to do and gather everything perfectly for you to start earning money in this year 2025. So stay with this video to the end because we are gonna see what will change your financial situation in this year 2025. So let's dive into the video. Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm Destiny, and on this channel I'll be sharing with you different ways to actually grow your YouTube channel and different ways to actually make money online. So please, if this channel is channel love watching, please do it to click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to be sharing these videos and this channel with your friends because everybody's gonna earn from this YouTube channel. So let's dive into the video today. Now, talking about micro job, most of you might be asking what is actually micro job. Micro job is whereby it's just as a job whereby someone will paste his link or paste a link to any of his desired thing, then you will click on it, do a perfect job as instructed in the description section, then you will start earning money for yourself perfectly. Well, without much talking, let me just dive into the video and let me show you the different 5 sites that can actually help you financially in this year 2025. So let's dive into the video. So the first site on my list here is actually called Microworker. All you just need to do is just go into your browser. Let me just turn into my screen record light now and show you everything step by step how you can actually access this micro site. Just go into your browser like this, just type in Microworkers. As you can see, it have already popped up here on my screen. Just search it, then boom, here is it. The site is actually the first one that says microworkers.com. Don't go and click on any other site. I don't recommend those ones. Just click on this first Microworker. Just click on it, then go to this 3 dot section right here, then click on the section that says register. Then when you click on it, you need to fill in all the necessary information, all the necessary things that's actually here. After filling it, then click on sign up, then you are good to go. Well, if you want me to drop a video of this site, which is this 5 site, I will drop a video of them showing you how to make money from them one by one. I can't just do everything in this video. I'm just composing this video to make it shorter, but just be showing you this site. This first on the site. Now, second on my list here is Clickworker. Yeah, Clickworker. With Clickworker, you can actually still make money by answering online surveys, doing different type of tasks. I'll be dropping a video of them, so please kindly do it to click that subscribe button so that when I drop a video of this site one by one, you actually get it and you know the exact tool to actually make use of this site. So please, if you want me to drop that video, please do it to click the subscribe button, comment it on the comment section so that I will know you are more interested in it. So the second site is Clickworker. Just go to your browser or your Chrome, Google, just click on Clickworker. Clickworker like this, then send. This one that these people are in, which is these people, click on this one because there are so many alternatives for them, which is so many people trying to use their name. Please click on this first one that pop up on the screen. When you click on it, as the same method, just go into the registration button, click on the registration button, fill in all the necessary information, then you are good to go. Now, third on my list here is actually called Remotask. Just go into your browser, your Chrome browser, or your Google connection, or your Google. Just search in Remotask like this. Remotask, then send. Now that the Remotask have opened, as the same as everything, just click on it, then click on that sign up button, fill in your necessary information, then do it. Then you are good to go. So fourth on my list here is actually called Sproutgigs. Sproutgigs is one of the best ways to actually make money with both micro job, answering surveys, testing apps, and different things you can actually do with this one. Trust me, if you stay with this Sproutgigs, you're actually seeing some great changes in your financial situation. Now, still just go into your browser like this, put in Sproutgigs. Please take note of these spellings. These are the right spellings of it. Just go into your Sproutgigs as it has shown here on my screen because I love using this site very much. Click on the Sproutgigs, then click on send. Here is it. It just opened. Let me just do it so that you actually see it first on the Google homepage. Sproutgigs. I'm gonna remove that .com so that it will actually show. Yeah, this is it. You just need to click on this one at the top, Sproutgigs.com. that has this feature. Don't go and search for any other things. No, just click on this Sproutgigs, then it will open. Click on the sign up button, then you can actually fill in your first name, last name, nickname, email and password, everything. Then click on sign up, verify everything, put in on, just need to do everything perfectly, then you are good to go. Please subscribe to the channel because I'm going to drop a video of the Sproutgigs, how to go into it, how to make money from it, how to set everything up. That is going to be my next video or my second video. Well, okay, let's just forget about that. So the last on the list here is the logo of all. I just withdraw money from it last day before yesterday. Yes, I withdraw money from it day Thursday. It's actually called Timebucks. Just go into your browser, type in Timebucks, just type in, then click on search. It will actually bring you here to Timebucks. Just click on it. As you can see, it just load up my account directly because I love using this Timebucks so very much, so very well. So when you are just in the Timebucks and just log out, you just need to click on this sign up button. Click on the sign up button, just put in your email address, password, repeat password, then click on this I'm not a robot, then I agree to every terms and conditions, blah blah blah, then just click on sign up, then you agree to go. Actually start making money from this Timebucks. I recommend the last two, Sproutgigs and Timebucks. If you are still choosing, please go for this Sproutgigs and Timebucks. They are going to change your financial situation. They are the best and the easy and simple and user-friendly ways to actually make money online in this year 2025. Not that I'm not saying the first to third one are not good, they are good, but these ones are the perfect ones. That's why I put them in the last section of the video, so that anyone that can watch this video to the last section will actually get it. So that is all for the video of today. So please do well to share this video with your friends, your loved ones, so that everybody will come to end for this video. Thanks for watching, and please just click that subscribe button for all this my hard work, because I'm gonna put so much effort on this channel by distributing good and appropriate things to you here on this channel. So click that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and share this my channel with your friends and my videos with your friends. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.